Microsoft Launcher for Android has received an update that adds Cortana integration to version 4.6 of the app. The update also allows you to add the daily Bing wallpaper to your home screen or lock screen, or both. You can also choose which contacts to put on your People card, and place widgets into the dock. Lastly, you can also pin a searched app or contact to the home screen. The Microsoft Launcher allows you to change the wallpaper on your phone, or use theme colors or icon packs. Take a picture on your phone and it will show up on your Windows PC. With the app, you can set up a personal feed that includes news, calendar events, contacts, and more. With the universal search, you can look for something on the web and inside your phone at the same time. As far as Cortana is concerned, this version of the virtual personal assistant works in the same manner as the Cortana app made for Android. According to the listing on the Google Play Store, Cortana will help you make a call, schedule meetings, change wallpaper, continue on PC or read the headlines. With the Microsoft Launcher app for Android, you can learn what Cortana is able to do through tips and suggestions. Invoke Cortana from Feed Cortana card, search bar, shortcut, double-click up gesture and long press on home button, need manually setting. Use Cortana to finish your basic phone tasks like call, SMS, app launching and voice search. Use Cortana to make your phone personalized like change wallpaper, change accent color or theme. Use Cortana to send your pictures to your PC. Chit-chat with Cortana. Sync Cortana reminder with Launcher to do. Use Cortana to facilitate your work, create/query/view your meetings, remind you the commitment in the email. Read news using Cortana. Control system setting through Cortana. Microsoft's virtual assistant is integrated on the app in the US, Great Britain, Canada, Australia, and China. To install the app on your Android phone, click on the source link below. Source: Microsoft Launcher via MS Power User, Phone Arena.